Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Instagram video. Let's get started. Here I have opened my Instagram app on my phone. Then we're going to make an Instagram video. So the first thing we should do is click on this plus button, guys, on the bottom of your screen. Then we can choose either Instagram post, reel, or maybe story. It's up to you. And I'm just going to choose reel right here. Just tap on reel option. Then if you want to record new video, you can click on this camera option, but you can also upload a video from your gallery, and I'm just going to upload video from my gallery. And this is the video that I want to upload. Just tap on the video. Alright, and we can edit the video, guys. Actually, if we want to edit the video, we can click on this edit button right here, guys, to edit the video. Then if we want to put music, we can simply click on this music button. Then if you want to add tags, we can click on this button. And if we want to upload, just go to this button, this next button. Right, and we can put caption, or maybe we can tag people. It's up to you. We can also add location to this video or this reel, and after that we can click on share to post this reel or this video. Alright guys, and that's how we can make an Instagram video. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.